Welcome to Facebook 101, Facebook Ads 101. I will be showing you how to run ads with your phone with as low as 5,000 naira if you are in Nigeria, and as low as 5 CD, I think, no, 50 CD, yeah, if you are in Ghana. I will show you how to create a Facebook page if you don't have one, because that is where we are going to run this ad. I'll show you how to create a Facebook page. I will also show you how to add a payment method and some money that you will use to run your ads. I will show you how to create your campaigns, your campaign goals, and your budgeting. I will also show you how to create the ad setup. And finally, I will show you how to create the ad creatives, and then we will now publish it. All this with your handset or with your phone. All you need to do is follow through. Like, share, follow me, comment the next video or the type of video that you want me to do for you, and I will do just that. Amy Digital Boost is here for you. Let's go. Now locate the Facebook app on your phone, click it, it will open. This is the interface of Facebook. Now if you want to create page, click on menu, it will open, and go to see more. You go to see more, then you scroll down, you should see pages, and you click on pages, it will open. Now this is create. I have Facebook page already, but if you don't have, click on create and it will open, get started and all that. Then you follow through and create your page respectfully. But because I have page, let's click it. Awesome. Let me switch it right now to my new page. You can go to Facebook and follow me on my new page. I created it recently and I drop Facebook ad tips. So once you are done creating your page or switched into your page, let's go. App Store if you are iPhone user. Then if you are Android user, you can go to your Play Store. Now if you go to your App Store, type in Meta Ad Manager. Meta Ad Manager. Here is it. Download this particular one. So this is the ad manager on my menu. Click it. I'm already logged in on my browser, so let me hit continue. Okay, wait, because I don't have any other account. This is fresh. Continue. Okay, as you can see, this is just the interface. I'm not running any ad currently. That is why everywhere is empty. So the first thing that we are going to do here is to add our payment method or billing method. You tap on create and you get to add payment method and you tap on it. You should make sure you get all your billing details right, from your location or the country or region where your card is located to the currency that your country uses. As you can see, I changed my mind. It's Nigeria and Naira is our currency. Next, then you click next when you are done and wait for it to load. Now, listen carefully. This is where it gets tricky. You see this debit or credit card? Don't tap it. Don't select that one, because as a Nigerian, our credit card is not allowed. You will select this Naira payment with MasterCard / that's the one that you are going to select, and you click next. You wait for it to load. Good. This VAT ID is for people that pay tax. If you don't pay tax, you skip it. All right. Now, this is the amount. Normally, it usually come with a default of 4,005, but because this is my first time, I'm going to put in 2,000, and I hit next. So basically, I said 5,000, but I'm testing 2,000 because this is a third-party app. I want to see how fast and reliable they are. That's why I'm using 2,000. It's called PayU. Tap continue. As you can see, you wait for it to come up. Then here you fill your card information. Fill your card. Let me fill mine. Fill them. Then you click pay. I don't want to save it. Sure you got your information right and remember all that I've been telling you. All right, authentication code. That's it. Phone successful. Let's see if it comes. Oh wow, they are very, very swift. That's good. Okay, let me quickly put the remaining 3,000. All right, we have the 5,000 on a dot. That's very good. Now let's begin. So in order for us to create our first ad, either you tap create or you tap the plus button. Let me tap create. We are on create new campaign. As you can see, we have create new, we have create from existing, we have what's your objective. Now since we are creating new campaign and we don't have existing campaign, what's your objective? This also means what is our goal for the campaign. We have engagement, which gets you more messages, video views, post engagement page, and the rest of them, and it's good for message and post engagement. We have the awareness, which show your ads to people who are mostly likely to remember them, and it's good for reach, brand awareness. We have the traffic, which send people to a destination like your website, app, or Facebook event, and it's good for link. You can check it out and see the one that is good for your business. We have leads, sales, app promotion. What this your objective basically means is, what's your aim? What aim are you trying to, what goal are you trying to achieve from running a Facebook ad? You must have it at the back of your mind. From engagement down to app promotion, it's all on you. Take your time, go through it, and choose the right one for your business or campaign. And for the purpose of time and for this video, I'll choose traffic. Awesome. Now follow through. This is a technical aspect. We have the traffic campaign, and now as you can see, we have the campaign details, which is traffic. Now we have campaign name. Let's change the campaign name. Make sure that you change your campaign name so that you will know where each ad falls in. All right, let's say digital haven. That's good. Next is special category, but leave it like that. Now the main thing is the budget. Let's go to the budget. Awesome. Then you see we have daily and lifetime, and Facebook have given us 3992. Let's clean it and put our own budget that we want to be spending. Mind you, you can't spend less than 1,589 on ad. You see, let me put 500 so that will show you. You know, when you put 500, you can see budget is too small. Let me put 1,000. It's still telling me that it's too small. So basically, you can't spend less than 1,000. You can't spend less than $1. So let's go with 1.6. That's the least that we can go. At least that will give us what we want, or it will try though, even if it's low. Awesome. Click next after you are done. Now this is a one called ad set. Also set the name of your ad set. Set the name so that you will know where each and every one falls in, especially when you are coming for analytics. Let's say digital matrix. It will go. Another one is conversion. Conversion is simply where you want the people that you are running the ad for, where do you want them to come? Is it your website, your messenger, or just your page? And Facebook has already chosen messenger for me, but I also want them to come to my WhatsApp. So I will click on my WhatsApp business. Also make sure to link your WhatsApp to your page if you want the WhatsApp option. All right. Next is schedule. And on schedule, you get to choose the start date, which is the date that you want the ad to start, and the end date that you want it to end. But I don't advise you to set an end date. So go back. Now another one is audience. Let's go to audience. So you can see we have new audience, we have location and the rest of them, and my location is automatically Nigerian because of my card. But because I don't want to run to Nigerian and I'm not in Nigeria, I'm going to edit it. I'm going to remove Nigeria. I don't want them to see my ad. I want Ghanaians to see my ad. So I'm going to remove Nigeria first. Then I will add the location that I want to that I want them to see my ad. I will also do a video where I will tell you or show you how to do audience targeting in case if you want to target people outside your country. That's it. Now another one that I'm so much interested is the age. I don't want 65 to see my ad. You can as well select your age group. I don't like 18 years old seeing my ad. I will also change the to 25. Okay, that's good. Yeah, all these things I'm setting matters in ad. I don't know the kind of business that you are running. Next, we have placements, but there's nothing that concerns you on placement, so you can just leave it like that. Let's go back. Then the final one, which is the ad itself. As you can see, we have the ad name, which we are going to change right now. Let's call it let's clean it. If you follow this step, you will be able to run this ad. Digital hub. Awesome. Now identity is the Facebook page that we are running this thing. Because I have only one Facebook page, that is why it's showing Emi Digital. But if you have multiple pages, you will be able to see them. Let's go to the next one. Ad setup. Here it says choose creative source and format for your ad. This is where we choose the kind of format. Is it a video or single image or carousel? You must have heard of carousel. Now if you click on setup or on setup, you will see create ad. You see create ad, use existing post. So we are using create ad because we don't have existing post. Existing post is when you already running ad. Now we select image. I want to use image or video, but I'm going to use image. Next is the ad creative itself. Awesome. Oh wow, they have already selected an image for me. Yeah, but we are still going to do some editing, some tweaking to make it creative, as it is called. Now let's go to image and see the image that they select. Oh wow, this is one of my posts on my Facebook new page. Why aren't my Facebook ads converting? You might wanna, follow me on Facebook and check it out and know why your Facebook ad isn't converting. I also have other posts. See this one I have where I do a detailed comparison between Google Ads and Facebook ads. You will also love it. You will also know the difference between Facebook ad and Google ad, and know from there you will make the right choice for your business. This is my logo. Okay, I like this one. Why aren't my Facebook ad converting? So let's go for it. All right. Next, we have the headline. This is the main thing. This is the main deal. The headline is more like a title. The title that will captivate your audience. The title that will captivate the people that you are advertising for. So let's put a title. What title should we use? It is your title that will bring people to you or make people to want to click. So let's say struggling with low Facebook ads conversion. You have to be very creative when writing this. Are your Facebook ads not converting? No. Alright, this should be good. I don't want to waste more time. Next, we have the primary text. This is the sub-text of the headline. A short description of what you want to do. They already gave me a sub-text. We boost your business growth and drive more sales, but I don't like it though. Even though it makes sense, but then again, let's just make it. Let's just do small thing there. Get free digital. Should we go with digital? Yeah. Get free digital marketing. No, don't like that. That is why it's called ad creative. You have to be very, very creative. You can't just type anything. You have to be creative with keywords, with your words. You have to be persuasive. I mean, come on, you're not the only one running ads. So you have to stand out. And for you to stand out, it involves a little bit of creativity. So make sure you take your time. Take your time, all right? I don't think it's persuasive enough. Let's go with today. Awesome. That's good. I think we can be a little creative even when we are out of time or running out of time. Let's do it. Because I just want to publish it at once. I don't want to come back for it. I have a lot on my table. So I just want to publish it. Let me just work it anyways. But take your time when writing your headline and primary text, because this is among the things that will determine if your ad will be clicked. Next, let's go to the message templates. Alright. Okay, I don't like the frequent question. That's why I toggle it off. The greetings is not bad. But let me edit it. I don't like free things. But you can leave your own if you like the one that Facebook give you by themselves. Hi, I'm here for the free business, what should we say? No. Free for the free Facebook ad tips. I think this one will be perfect. Let's put a begging hand. Awesome. This is how it's going to look when you preview it or when somebody wants to sound submissive. Awesome. Now let's preview our ad. But before then, there's something called call to action. This is what action do you want the viewers to perform, or the audience that you are running the ad for. This time I put it send WhatsApp message. Now let's preview the ad. It's loading. Awesome. This is how our ad is going to look. We have the mobile native, we have the WhatsApp chat, and we have the Facebook. This is the mobile feed. Awesome. Yeah, exactly. We are done. You go ahead and check your work before you hit the publish, but because I don't have time, I'm good. As you can see, it's publishing. I told you your order was received. Your ad is being reviewed to make sure it follows Facebook advertising policy. Typically, you will receive a response within 24 hours. And we are done, ladies and gentlemen. Hit the like button, follow for more tips, comment your thoughts, and comment the next video that you want me to do for you. Thank you.